I'm here to tell you guys about one of our new projects, which is called Windfair Condominiums, and it's going to be right on the Sound in Atlantic Beach. So these are going to be multi-level condos. There will be 18 of them available. Each one will have an elevator and a garage, and each one will come with a boat slip. There's an incredible architect who's been working on this project. We're really excited to share floor plans with you guys as they become available and to get you more information. If you'd like to be on our list to receive information as it becomes available, just click the button below and we'll make sure we get you right on there. Thanks so much.